okay, so you guys won 99. You guys are doing good. When was that? Because remember, you guys won the Vintage Clash. You guys won World Clash. Where was the first time now where you guys freaking bucked up somebody and dead because you guys were so hot? Where was the first time you got that kill?
First time I got killed was from Rodigan, you know.
Rodigan?
Yeah, man, David Rodigan. Like after World Clash, I think it was the first clash after World Clash in Connecticut. And it was I would even say, you know, I got beaten from Rodigan. I got beaten from Wyclef. Because hear the story, right? So it was a good dance, like Rodigan versus Mighty Crown, first time book up a Connecticut. And then Roddy was playing hard and Mighty Crown was going hard, you know. And then first round, second round, third round was really nice. Like, you know, it was the vibe in a dance, you know. But then I think it was like fourth round, like this is the longest tune for tune I ever did in my history, like in my life. I don't even know how much tunes I played. Like it was more than maybe 15 songs, maybe more. Like we were playing tune for tune, like back and back, like. And then at the end of the dance, right, nearly at coming towards the end of the dance, when the tune for tune start, right, Wyclef came to the dance, and then Wyclef had a biggest tune, Billboard #1 song at that time with Carlos Santana, product GB, right, and then it was a song called Maria Maria, #1 song on Billboard, and then I didn't even know that song at that time because I wasn't really, you know, preying upon hip hop or R&B at that time. I was so focused on reggae and dancehall, right? But then Wyclef step in, and that alone getting forward in a dance, and then the man give the dubplate to Rodigan, and he was like, yo, because they had a relationship already, you know, like because you know, BBC or I don't know, but then Rodigan knew Wyclef knew Rodigan. I obviously know who Wyclef is, but you know, Wyclef probably never know about Mighty Crown yet. So at that time, man just give the dubplate to Rodigan and like, yo, he was like, yo, play the first song. Once that tune come on, it was a rap. Like, no, not even, no matter how bad I played after that, it was no coming back with that shit. Like, that was it. It was a rap. Like, the way whole place lift up, it was like, yo, dance done. And that was the first, you know, kill I get after. But then, like, Wyclef probably felt bad, you know, because he only gave up to Rodigan, right? So after the dance, he came up to me and was like, yo, I'm a big fan. I'm like, yo, Bumbleclad, you give Rodigan the dubplate and you not give me none. Yo, idiot thing that. So he probably felt bad, right? So he's like, yo, so Sammy, give me your number. Like, you know, we exchanged number. Like, he was like, yo, come to the studio. And then them time that, you know, Wyclef run the place, you know, him live in a studio, basically. Him have this studio for like, you know, the biggest studio in New York City. He used to have it like for a month or two, like, you know, recording the album and stuff. So somebody invited me, and then, you know, from there I was like, yo, Bumbleclad, I'm in Wyclef studio right now. Yo, this is fucking crazy, man. Like, you know. And then he was like, yo, he's a big fan of sound system culture, sound clash culture, you know what I mean? So he was like, yo, so I'm gonna give you some dubplate. And then I had a rematch with Rodigan, maybe like 5 months after that in Amazura. And then now I'm the one who's playing Wyclef towards him. So yo, Roddy was pissed, man. Rodigan was like, I saw him face, I'm like, screw up, like, Bumbleclad, you have that song now. Like,
how did you get it?
Yeah, it was crazy, man. Yeah.
I was speaking to Tarantula, and he said to me, okay, you see how Rodigan got that dub, and that was what killed you? Tarantula told me that you and Poisoner were playing, The dance was going on good, neck to neck to neck to neck.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
see, when you guys went and go draft for that Wyclef, it was a rap from there.
Yeah, because I had a custom dubplate with I made Wyclef do a customized Poison that, right? But then that Poison that dubplate was I don't know, maybe it was originally for maybe the song from Antigua, maybe I'm not sure, I forgot. Maybe it was Poison Dot from Florida. But we had that dub already for Wyclef. So yeah, that was like, and it was customized. That's why, like, you know, it got an extra mile. You know what I mean? People was like, you know, yeah.
Tarantula said the forward came from the back, and it just built up, and just spilled on the stage, and that was a rap.
Yeah. I still remember that. That was one of the really like nice clashes. Still, man, I like. You know, Poison that have whole I fucking sung them. So you know what I mean?
Yeah, guy, wicked.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.